All right, so here's what we're doing today for Tuesday, November 10th. So the first thing I want you to do is I want you to click here on the terms to know. You do not need to do this assignment, but I want you to know these terms, okay? I want you to know all of these terms. So you can really focus your energy on these 5 terms that are up here, okay? You don't have to do this. You could try to fill in the blanks and see if you get it right, just to practice, but you do not have to do that and turn it into me. But I do want you to know these terms. All right, the next thing you need to do is watch this video. I have a video set up, and I want you to start at 3:42 and end at 9:55. So if you click here on this video, you can scroll over to 3:32, and you can start here, okay? And then you'll finish once you get over here, okay? So just go from here to here and watch that video. The next thing I need you to do is I need you to answer some reflection questions. These reflection questions are on this assignment right here. And they're questions about the video that you just watched. You'll see that there's a timestamp for each one, okay? And that tells you where you go to answer that question, right? So I'd like you to answer those and submit to me those answers when you are done. All right, that's all I need you to do today.